In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Webflow, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can easily add a new page to your site. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Webflow's main website. Once there, look for the option that says Create a Custom Website or Visual Website Builder. You'll notice there's a button that says It's free. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to create an account. You can do this using your email address and by setting a secure password, or you can simply sign in with your Google account for quicker access. Once your account is set up, take a moment to visit your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your projects. Internet speed and your computer's performance might affect how quickly it loads, but once you're in, select Sites. On the left side panel, you'll see a variety of tools. Look for Pages and click on it. This area is where you manage all of the pages that your site contains. Now it's time to create a new page. Find and click on the option that allows you to create a new page. You'll be prompted to select Create New Page. Once you've done that, a field will appear for you to type in the name of your new page. Choose a descriptive name that clearly indicates the content or purpose of the page. If you want to control who can see this page, Webflow allows you to customize access. Simply click on the option that says Specific Users Only if you wish to limit viewing to certain people. As you dive deeper into the setup, take this opportunity to add any necessary information that will be relevant to the new page. Customization is key when it comes to making this page fit your vision. You can alter layouts, colors, and fonts to suit your taste or branding guidelines. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, it's important to ensure all your settings are in place. So go ahead and click on Settings to review and adjust any remaining configurations. Additionally, you might want to add some interactions, dynamic behaviors that make your website more engaging. This can be done by clicking on Interactions in the Settings menu. Finally, when you've completed all customization and settings, it's time to share your work with the world. Click on Publish and then choose Publish to selected domains to finalize the creation of your new page. And there you have it. You've successfully created and published a new page on Webflow, extending the capabilities and content of your website. Thank you for joining, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more Webflow tips and tutorials.